Hello, Adam Kopacz, Excel lover from Poland. Today we're gonna talk how to create charts, or more like data bars, in cells using formula. And we want to create something like this. So let's start with creating proper formula. We have to use repeat function, REPT function, and repeat function will repeat text one or more charts as many times as we specify in the second argument. So let's start with a pipe, a vertical line. So we have a pipe and we want to repeat it as many as there is a sunny days in a month. So we have our formula and we put in a cell and copy it down. So let's say there are data bars, but the distance between signs it's a bit too big, so we have to narrow it. We can just change font name, and I found some fonts that's working with this. So I'm selecting all our cells with data bars and changing our font name. So let's start with script, and now it's a bit better because they are more narrow. The distance between signs is smaller, but let's try the other font names. Won't they be better, or are they gonna be more or less equal? So now with Britannic Bold we have seen a really good data bar. It really looks like a data bar. And the last example with the font name, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so I'm just copying it and putting in the font drop-down list. And now this is the data bar I like the most, so I'm staying with this. Okay, so we repeat pipe, but we can repeat also other signs. And when we are repeating other signs that are wider than pipe, there may be a problem. The number we are using may be too big. So we can, let's start repeating asterisk. Okay. And we are repeating in as many as sunny days. It will be too wide. So we can divide our number, and repeat function will only look at integer part of the number. So we can safely divide our numbers, our given numbers, and we will see that it will look quite good with smaller numbers of repeats. And asterisk is a simple sign, but we can't use any Unicode sign. For example, a star. So I'm prepared a star. I'm just copying it to put in the place of asterisk, and we can copy it down. And for a star that is wider than an asterisk, we can divide our number even more. Let's see by 3, and putting a formula once again. So not enough space, we can divide the number if the number is too big for our purpose. In our last example, we are gonna repeat n letter. Repeat n, and we have to repeat, let's say, the number of sunny days divided by 2. And for now, we just see many n's. But we can change our font to Windings, and then our n letter is changing in the squares, and now it looks quite good as a data bar. So using different signs and different numbers of repeat, we can create with formula quite good data bars.